we're gonna try to tube a tire on a L100 John Deere. Here's my lawn and garden trailer tire, or garden tractor tire by Carlisle. So here, first things we're going to do is it's all dead, so you need two. This long one's good, but you got to break the bead. So you got to get in there, and it seems like you're breaking stuff, but you really just got to break the bead. And so you get one in there, and then you go at it with the other one until you break the seal against the rim of the tire and get it to cooperate. And then what you really want to do is kind of walk it around, and then at some point you're going to want to pop it over the little hump there. So let's start it. It's harder than, this is one of those things that is good to have done this before. And since I'm going to tube it, I don't have to worry so much about the rim. I'm kind of done with trying to, I don't want to fix the tire per se. I just want to tube it. So walk it all the way around and bust the bead on this. And try not to hurt yourself. A little bit more left. Come on. What you want is you want this to get over the hump and over, and that I think I'm gonna pull the plug there, make sure that it's all. I got a plug puller. You unscrew it and make sure all the air is out. It could be that's what's giving me such trouble. See this thing? There's the end. And you go counterclockwise. And what'll happen now is, as I push things around, the air will come out. And it should give me a better go at it. Good to be, I'm left-handed, it's good to be right-handed in some things, and I don't know, maybe this is one of them, or I'm just kind of clumsy. But I do know I just did the other one. It took me a long time, like an hour, so I think I'm just really kind of not good at it. I wanted see, I think there's the key, is to get it back like that. You know, I made different sounds before when there, alright, there's some air came out, see that? Now we should be getting somewhere. Now I dig it up. I want to dig it up over the edge. Dig it up, dig it up. Gotta get at least one. It's just really, the bead on this one's tough. Pretty weird since This one went flat first. Could be I put some of that Fix-A-Flat in it. That might be messing it all up to heck too, making it hard. So, kind of keep the pressure on it, and then try to walk it over the hump. I'm gonna work at it some more, but I'm gonna pause. Pause right there. All right, kept working at it, and really what was holding it was the bead. So the bead is now gone. You can see as I can move the tire around. Now, what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to get rid of this plug and just kind of, I guess you can get this out of here. Pry it up and cut it off. Yeah, here's, see the back end of that plug there. I'm going to just kind of pry it up and then cut it off. I need a normal screwdriver for that. You could use scissors or tin snips. Actually, I might have to go get some tin snips. Darn it. So, expose it with these pliers. Get in under and cut it. There's something cut good. Cut it. And again, if you're left-handed, it's tougher. So, there I kind of messed it up. So now, see if I can pull that out. Ah, son of a gun. Yeah, this is going to take me a while, so I'm going to pause it. Alright, so I got that out. Took a while. So now got a tube, and this will be just like a bicycle tube, kind of, sort of. It's just harder. So you want kind of to turn it inside out, I think, so that this is on the inside and it can feed this way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to feed the tube in here and then pop out that thing. Now, I'm learning as I go because I didn't do that good a job on the other tire. And wasn't that easy. This time, oh, where's the hole? There's the hole. So I line it up with the hole. And if you don't quite line things up correctly, that little thing keeps trying to get away. So then, start jamming this in. Start jamming this in. Get it over there. Around there. Get it under there. And use there's a ridge down the middle of the wheel. So you want to get it in that ridge so it's out of the way and the tire can come back over it. This didn't give me this much trouble on the other side. But just kind of get it in and over. And then what I did was I have a plier with a ridge end on it, you know, to kind of pull the tire back. You know, you can, without popping your rubber, you can push and hold at the same time because of that upturn in the plier. So I'm going to keep on working on this and pause it for you, but it takes a good amount of time. It's not real fast. Alright, so I've moved to a bigger tool. It's taking too long, but it pops up the tire and I can squish it under. Pops the tire up, squish it under. And then once I get to a certain point, what I'll do is I need to seat the tire back over the rubber. And that'll happen once I've gone all the way around doing this. And here looks like a problem.